Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again. My name is Asrianti and
I am Nurul Hapsari.
okay, today we are want to interview about multilingualism and code switching in EFL classrooms. So I want to ask you about this material. What is multilingualism in EFL context?
Okay, multilingualism in EFL context is consistency and use of more than two languages by learners simultaneously acquiring English as an additional language, often as a third or even fourth language.
Okay. And what is code switching in EFL classrooms?
Okay, code switching in EFL classroom is the strategic use of two or more language within a conversation or classroom setting. It's a natural phenomenon in multilingual communities. In EFL classrooms, teachers use is clarify complex concepts, provide explanation, and support understanding, especially with difficult terminology.
Okay. What is the role of multilingualism and code switching in EFL classrooms?
Okay, therefore, the role of multilingualism, the first is globalization impact, cognitive benefits, intercultural competence, and valuable research.
Okay. And what's the types of code switching?
Okay, the types of code switching there are three. The first is intersentential, is switching between sentences. Intrasentential is switching within a sentence, and text switching is inserting a text phrase from one language into another.
And what is challenge and considerations about this multilingualism?
Okay, about the challenges and consideration in multilingualism, the first is language interference. That is, structures or vocabulary for one language can incorrectly influence English usage. The second is about classroom management. Is managing diverse languages can complicate communication and instructional clarity. And the third is about balancing act. That teachers must balance promoting English proficiency with utilizing learners' linguistic repertoires.
And what is the pedagogical strategies and implication of this multilingualisms?
Okay, the pedagogical strategies and implications. The first is about translating, language awareness, and teacher training.
Okay. And that is our the material about multilingualism. The conclusion of this material is multilingualism is an inherent and invaluable aspect of many modern EFL classrooms. It offers cognitive, cultural, and motivational advantage that, when harnessed properly, promote effective English language learning. Okay, I think that's all our podcast maybe from us. Thank you for your attention and yeah. I think maybe this podcast useful for anyone and everyone. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum.